Warm welcome to you all to discuss about the plan of action to get ready for placements. Now we will see about what are the things to be studied for both CSCIT and non-IT students regarding placements for a salary package of over 10 lakh per annum. Important eligibility criteria regarding to your academics are: number one, the company doesn't bother about which department you study. They normally notice your coding skills and your communication skills. Number two, your CGPA. Your CGPA should be more than 7 or 7.5 to attend all the companies. Number third is your backlogs. There should be no backlogs or arrears during the time of the recruitment. Following things need to be followed during the start of your placement preparation. Number one, practice quants on constant basis. Number two, solve the previous year examination question papers. Number three, read the interview experiences from the previous year attended candidates. Number four, if possible, contact the employee who are working in the company currently and get information about the recruitment process and what are the platforms and projects that they are currently working on. Number five, practice mock interviews to identify the weakness of yourself. Now we can see about the roadmap to prepare for placements. This is for CSC and IT students to get a package of over 6 lakh to 10 lakh per annum. So spend 1 month to prepare for aptitude basics in quants, logical, verbal, data interpretation, visual reasoning, game-based aptitude questions and some live workshops. After 1 month, have a 3 to 4 days for soft skills like HR interview preparations, puzzles, group discussion preparations and resume building. Then have some mock interviews. Then learn some languages and subjects related to your department. Okay. So for CSE and IT students, you have to learn C++, Java and Python. Okay. Then some theory subjects based on operating systems, DBMS and SQL. Finally, for coding concepts and some basic questions and advanced questions in data structures and algorithm. Totally, we have to spend nearly 5 months time for interview preparation for the CSC and IT students. For non-CSC and IT students, have a 1 month practice for aptitude basics. Then after that have a 3 to 4 days soft skill training. Then 1 month training about some basic concepts right from C++, Java and Python. Even though if you are a non-IT students, the company will check your coding skills because you are going to work on a software industry. So they will check how efficient you are in your coding. Okay. So learn some basic concepts in coding. Then spend 2 months time for coding. Okay. You must have a basic and intermediate level of coding skills. Basic concepts in data structure algorithm. Data structures algorithm is essential one to get placed in a IT company. Totally, you have to spend 4 months time for your interview preparation. You want to get placed in a product based company and a package of over 10 lakh per annum. First, spend some time for basic aptitude for 1 month. Then have a soft skill training. Then you have to learn a depth knowledge in programming skills such as C, Java, and theoretical subjects, operating systems, DBMS and SQL. Then nearly 3 months should be spent for understanding the coding levels in DSA, basics and advanced concepts. You learn about the competitive coding skills. Okay. So finally have some knowledge in recent development and innovatives in machine learning and artificial intelligence, cyber security, cloud computing, business intelligence, Salesforce and ethical hacking. Okay. Because these are the current trend topics. So you should have a knowledge and if possible do a project and publish either a patent or paper in these topics. Okay, you have to spend nearly 6 months time to get placed in a company of a salary package of over 10 lakh per annum. Main eligibility criteria regarding your academics is that number one is that they don't care about your branch, they see your coding skills and your communicative skills. Okay, next thing is that your CGPA, it should be more than 7 or 7.5 to attend all the companies. Okay, there should not be any backlogs during the time of recruitment, and some companies will see the history of arrears also, so it's better to not have any arrear during your academics. Number 4 is that you don't have a overall gap in your academic career of more than 1 year. These are the main steps to be followed for placement preparation. Prepare your quantitative aptitude on a constant basis. Right from your second year itself, you start your preparation of this quantitative aptitude and solve some previous year exam questions. There are some websites available to attend these mock test. Read the interview experience from the previous year attended candidates to get a better idea about the recruitment process of that company. Okay, so if there is a chance, you can talk to employees of that same company and ask about the current status of the company, what are their needs and in which platform they currently have many projects they are having. So then only you can get a clear idea of what to prepare for that company. Okay, then fifth one is that you have to practice some mock interviews. Okay, because everyone has a strength and weakness. So if you want to identify the weakness of yourself, you have to practice more mock interviews. Okay, then finally improve your communication skills. So for every company, either it is a service based or a product based company, they check your communicative skills. Thank you. I hope now you can get an idea for placement preparation for both CSE IT and non-CSE IT students. All the best for your placements. Meet you in the next video. Till then, it's goodbye from Vijay.